Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today we have a new unboxing Redmi 8 Pro. So let's just start it. Its main feature includes 64MP AI camera and it is powered by octa-core MediaTek Helio G90T processor. First in the box we get a paper box, and in that we get a transparent cover. The phone we have is 6GB RAM and 64GB ROM, and the display is 6.53 bezel-less display with water drop notch. It also comes with IP rating of 53 and which is dust and splash resistant. The phone feels heavy on holding. The main attraction of this phone is 4 cameras at the back, that is 64 plus 8 plus 2 plus 2 MP, and it has front facing of 20 MP. Phone comes with a big battery of 4500 mAh and it has also fast charging included in the box. At the top we have a air blaster and a mic. Bottom we have a speaker and Type-C port and 3.5mm jack. Camera setup at the back looks very good. The next in the box we got a fast charger which is 18 watt. And lastly we have Type-C cable. And that's all we get in the box. Quickly review the main feature of this phone, that is camera. It has got many options in the camera department. As you can see, main 64MP camera, Thank you once again for watching, and share, subscribe and like, and see you guys in the next video.